Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about probably the most boring topic of the entire program, and that is coming up with your compliance pages that are required on every website, and this is something that nobody ever wants to talk about. This is the flossing of affiliate marketing. So stick with me through this video, and let's make it through together. First, let's talk about why we need compliance pages in the first place, and it's for three simple reasons. We want to get our ads approved when we decide to run ads. We want to build trust with our customers that are on our website or on any of our landing pages. And this will also allow us to avoid getting shut down and banned from affiliate programs. If we have these pages on our website, it just brings our professionalism up a little bit more and brings us a little bit further away from the spammers and scammers of the industry. And there's really only three pages that you need. The first one is a privacy policy. Now, this is required by law for any business that's operating online, regardless of country. And this page tells your customer what info that you're going to be collecting, what you're using it for, and whether or not you share it with anybody. This is unique to your business. Do not rip this off from somebody else. There's a free policy generator linked below this video where you can go in and I'll show you how to use it, and you can make one unique, full of lawyer speak just for you. Do not copy your privacy policy from somebody else's business. I cannot stress this enough. This is something that needs to be unique to your business. And below this video, there's a free policy generator linked. So I will show you how to use it later on in the video. Just know that you can't just go copy and paste from somebody else. That's why I have it in all caps, and that's why I've said it 3 times in this video. The next compliance page that you need is an affiliate disclosure. This is required if you're going to be doing affiliate marketing of any kind. People need to know that you're getting compensated when they click your link. Now, this doesn't have to be a fancy page. It just has to say something pretty much to the effect that you'll receive compensation if they choose to purchase, but you also need to tell them that it doesn't affect the price that they pay. They're going to pay the same price for the product whether you're getting a commission or not. Keep it simple. Write it in your own voice. I'll show you an example later on in the video. And the last page that we're going to create is a contact info page. Again, this is something that just gives you that extra level of legitimacy, and brands are more willing to work with you if they know how to get in contact with you. They are required for Facebook and Google ads. They build trust and legitimacy in your business. And at the very minimum, you don't have to put your phone number or an email address. At the very minimum, you need a snail mail physical address. But it also helps if you include an email address. Again, this just makes it easier for people to contact you. Now, I personally avoid placing a phone number, but if you want to answer the phone, there's no limit to a contact page, so you can actually have people contact you any way that you want. It's just important that you give people a way to contact you if they want to. Now, having said that, let's show you how to create each of these pages. We're going to head on over to WordPress, and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so we're back here on our WordPress dashboard, and we're actually going to put our compliance pages under our Pages tab. Now, if you remember from the Pages versus Post video, pages are something that's static and they don't move. That's why we're going to put these pages under Pages and not under Posts. So we're going to come over here. We're going to click on All Pages. Now, once you get into these pages here, you're not really going to see anything. If you picked a different theme, you might have something different. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here. I am just going to wipe them out, move them all to the trash. And there we go. Now we have a clean slate. Now we're going to click up here and we're going to say Add New. And the first one that we're going to create here is going to be the contact page. It's going to be the simplest one to make. Okay, so this is really all we need to write for our contact page. If you have any questions or suggestions for the Carpentry Corner, we would love to hear from you. I have a mailing address and I have an email address. It's all it is. It's all I need. It doesn't have to be this big, long, drawn out thing. Now, before we hit publish, we come over here to permalink. And you see this URL slug? Make sure this says contact us or contact, whatever you want to say. What this is actually the last part of the URL up here. So it's going to be your domain name / this part here. And if you come down here, it's going to see here, it is thecarpentrycorner.com/contact us. Once we have that set up, we're going to close permalink. Discussion, I'm going to disallow comments. Make sure that box is not checked. Now, as far as featured image, if I want to make this a little bit special, we're going to head onto a website called pexels.com. And we're going to grab a stock image. Let's type in contact us. Let's see what happens. Now, since this is going to be in the woodworking niche, and I expect my niche to be mostly older men, so I'm actually going to take this little old rotary telephone. I'm going to download that. I'm going to use this as my featured image. Let's come right over here. Set featured image. We're going to select the files to upload. And now right here, I'm just going to change the old title here to be like old phone, something like that. and then just set the featured image. Now that we have everything there, visibility public, publish immediately, we click publish, publish, and now our contact page is live. We're going to click over here where it says view page. And if we look right now, our image is enormous and our text is down here, but don't worry, our theme is going to clean this up later on. Right now, I want you to just get these pages and get the text out there. So that way, when we optimize with our theme, there is something to optimize. Now we're going to head back on over to pages and we're going to do our affiliate disclosure. Now we just title our page affiliate disclosure, and then we're going to write out a simple disclosure based on the rules that I just told you. So here's what I've come up with. The Carpentry Corner may suggest products from time to time. These products may earn us an affiliate commission if you decide to purchase them. However, the price that you pay is not affected by the fact that we're compensated. We at the Carpentry Corner will only promote products that we believe in. Now, this is going to be a simple woodworking niche site. Now, I don't need to have any crazy affiliate disclosures in there. This will do. If you're going into something where you promote ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels has specific affiliate disclosures that they want to see on your website. Be sure to include them, and just do that for every affiliate program that you promote. You can put them on this page and you should be fine. But again, this is a very good starting point. Same thing, we're going to come here to our permalink, affiliate disclosure, make sure there's no comments. And then for a featured image, I'm going to head on over to Pexels and we'll see what we can find. Okay, so after searching on Pexels for a while, I couldn't find anything that was free. Now, normally I would just buy a stock image, but an affiliate disclosure image that like 6 people is going to see, it's not worth $11 to me. So I went on another site that's a royalty-free image site called Pixabay, Pixabay, typed in disclosure, and I found this one here that says transparency. Yeah, it kind of works. It's close. Again, not too many people are going to see it, but it does kind of just add something to the page once we have our theme. So we're going to download that one there. And then we're just going to upload it. Same process as before. Same thing, public immediately. Hit publish, and we're done. As for the privacy policy, I'm going to make it its own video because this one's running a little long. So I'll see you over there.